I'm Chunck, and I'm so excited to be your instructor for our time together during this course. Now, my goal has been to make the most comprehensive texture baking course available anywhere. Texture baking is one of the most essential parts of game development and the workflows that come with it, yet time and time again, I see it tripping people up. And now, while it is one small part of the entire game art workflow, it oftentimes can result in being the most time-consuming for the simple fact that anything can go wrong. Even for some of my previous courses like Tread or Relic, we do cover the topic of texture baking as needed for the course. However, we don't go in nearly enough depth that the topic likely deserves. So this is where Bake comes to save the day. In just 2.5 hours, we are going to cover everything you need to know about texture baking in Blender and what to do when things inevitably go wrong, because unfortunately, things are going to go wrong. But that's going to be enough of me yapping. If you are ready to pick up some of the tips, tricks, and techniques that I have learned in the last 10 years as a video game artist, make sure to stay tuned for Bake, and I'll see you there.